Hello, it's Maya. And this is our Lena. Maya, where's Lena gone?
I don't know.
She's missing.
She's missing.
Maybe she's in her little bed? Quick, let's go look. She might be under the big bed as well. Maya, take a look. Lena's not here. I know. She's gone to play with the balls. Let's go look. Let me help you. Lena's not here.
Here she is. She wet herself. Her diaper needs changing. But where do we keep the diapers?
I know where. Follow me. Maya, where should we put her dirty pants?
In the washing machine.
Exactly. Maya, you're so clever.
Lena needs some clean pants.
There they are. What about her top?
Oh, yeah.
Maya, now we need to put her top on.
Yes, I can do it.
All right.
We've just Lena. Oh, she's crying. She needs her soother.
Maya, where's her soother? Let's go look for it.
Let's go. It's probably in the closet.
You think it's here?
Maybe here? No. Where's her soother? Here it is! Her soother!
I'm so glad we found Lena. But what's happened to the room? Shall we clean it up?
Yeah! We need to clean the room. All right.
We did such a good job.
Yeah!
And when someone cleans up, what do they get?
Living, breathing ice cream!
Nom nom nom! It's so delicious, Maya. noticed your toys sometimes run away from you? Like this video and watch our next Maya and Lena video. Bye!
Bye!